students, I am going to start once again video lecture of freshwater fish culture. Dear students, I have already explained introduction of fishery science and fishery biology. I hope you understood it. Now I will start the unit 3rd, and that is the commercially important freshwater fishes of India. The three Indian major carp, namely Katla, Rohu, Mrigal, and some experts also include the Kalbasu, Labeo Kalbasu. This is the Indian major carp. Contributed the bulk of production of the extent of 70 to 75% of the total freshwater fish production, followed by the silver carp, grass carp, common carp, tilapia, forming the second important group. According to your syllabus, I will explain the three Indian major carp and four exotic carp. Out of them, the first one is Katla. This is the Indian major carp. The Katla is the largest Indian carp, commonly known as Katla in Hindi. First, we will see the classification of Katla. The phylum Chordata means the notochord present, nerve cord present, or the pharyngeal gill slits present, means the phylum Chordata. Then group Vertebrata means vertebral column is present. Then subphylum Gyanthostoma means the jaw is present. Then series Pisces, all the fish are present in the series Pisces. Then division Cyprinae, then genus Katla and species Katla. Then character, Katla is the largest Indian carp. Then body is elongated, broad snout measuring. Then caudal fin is bilobed and homovial. Then it is fast grower. Maximum length is 1.8 meter to 4.5 kg. Weight. In 1 year it attained 2 kg. Breed in river during the rainy season. The head is largest during the large rounded eyes. Mouth is wide with prominent lips. You see in this video, the dorsal fin is quite large. The caudal fin is bilobed. The scales are pink or coppery in the center of the dorsal side and whitish in below. Okay, the color blackish gray above inside and silvery on the besides or the on the sides. Okay, then dorsal profile of the body is more convex. Then the next is Rohu, Labeo rohita. The first we'll see the classification of Labeo rohita. The phylum Chordates, then vertebrata group, subphylum is Gyanthostomata, series Pisces, genus Labeo and species is Rohita. Then character, Labeo rohita is the most famous carp. It's commonly known as Rohu in Hindi. Okay. Then body is elongated with moderately rounded abdomen measuring upon the 1 meter in length. Color is brownish gray in black above. Scales are large and orange to reddish in color in the center. Then head is prominent with a blunt snout. Mouth is transverse and semi-oval. Lip is thick covered with jaw, and both are having the inferior and the transverse folded. Okay, a soft movable horny. Then body weight, you look at this images. Okay, then third one is the Sirinus mrigala. The next one is Sirinus mrigala. The phylum Chordata means chordate is present. Vertebrata group, vertebral column present. Then subphylum Gyanthostomata means jaw is present. Then series Pisces, genus Sirinus and species is Mrigala. Sirinus mrigala body is dark grey on the dorsal side. Ventral side is orange in color. Then head is small and slightly subterminal. Mouth is situated lower side on snout. Then the Sirinus mrigala, commonly called as mrigal in freshwater carp of India. The length of body, it has wide mouth and thin lips. Barb small and fold lips. The length of body is up to 66 centimeter, wide up to 6.4 to 2.8 kg. Then color of the body silvery dark, and backside sometime with a think blackish. Okay, then mouth is wider with thinner lips, and the body is covered with large cycloid scales. The scales are absent on a head. It is more important. Then the feed is item consists of mud, algae, and the decaying vegetation. It is the caudal fin is sharply forked. It gives the best sport on the rod and line used as a food. The sexual maturity is obtained in a 2 year. The breed during the monsoon floods. Then female lay the egg at the rate of 1,15,000 to 2 lakh per kg. Okay. The next is exotic fishes. Next point is the exotic fishes. In exotic fishes, including the grass carp, silver carp, tilapia. Okay, the first is the grass carp. The scientific name of grass carp is Ctenopharangodon edela. Okay, the Ctenopharangodon edela, the grass carp in Russia, is the natural inhabitant of China. This species was brought in India in 1959 from the Hong Kong and introduced into the pond of control the Inland Fisheries Research Station, means CIF, and Orissa. In 1962 they were bred successfully in the Hypo station, and above none been introduced into the several states of these countries. From the India they were the Philippines, Nepal, Burma. Both the grass carp and silver carp are able to tolerate slightly brackish water. They fry grass carp feed or zero to phytoplankton, but the adult is herbivorous fish. The male fish is mature when the 2-year-old. Then but the growth is rapid. The next one is silver carp. The silver carp is Hypophthalmitis molitris, is the native of China, but has now been introduced in the several countries like India, Japan, Malaysia, and we fish bin India. Silver carp are brought in Japan. They first introduced in the Orissa. It feed the phytoplankton and the flower. The next one is a common carp, Cyprinus carpio. Then it is commonly known as European carp. Then body is elongated, covered with scale, measuring about 5 cm. Head is large with a mouth. Dorsal fin is quite large, reaching up to the tail. The ventral fin is abdominal. Air bladder is connected with air, means the gut is connected with air bladder by means of duct. Next one is tilapia. The natural habitat of tilapia is along with the east coast of Africa, but it has been transplanted to the several countries rated in pond India. Tilapia was brought by the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. Then the egg of laid by the female, brief countership. The egg are fertilized the male, and soon the female pick up the egg in her mouth, thus the exhibiting the buccal incubations. The hatching takes place in 3 to 4 days. The tilapia is the fast growing hardy fish, but does not serving the temperature lower than 10 degrees centigrade at the feed of the carp. Fry tilapia is not suitable for the culture along with the carp. When the culture of sewage water mixed with fresh water is reported yield in the it can be the also successful culture in rice field. Okay, this is about the fish tilapia. Then economic important of all fishes is had the great food value. It grow the well fish culture. Okay, this all is about the commercially important of freshwater fishes of India. The economic important is the like a labio. It has a great food value coming in a common man food. The fresh, very delicious. The most important value or the economic important is rich in protein content. Okay, this is all about the commercially important freshwater fishes of India. So thank you.